painless, I think is the best way to describe it. Yeah, it was easy, not more complicated than other conferences, so that worked well. And I love the fact that I got feedback, detailed feedback about my proposals, because I submitted multiples, so that was really helpful.
Call for proposals at Agile Testing Days is really well organized. One of the things that I found really good this year is the feedback that you get from each proposal that you submit, because it's not just about yes or no, it's more richer than that. They will tell you what was missing, and that makes a whole difference for someone who is trying to speak at events, because sometimes I get refusals. I don't know if they hated it or if they really liked it but simply couldn't put it in the program. And with the call for proposals for Agile Testing Days, you know exactly, because they will tell you this was a very nice topic, but unfortunately we didn't have space for it. Maybe next year you should reapply. So there you go.